Alright, everyday decisions based on probability. Choosing classes. Now we have here 4 teachers offer Jason's favorite computer class at different times during the day. The school counselor asks Jason if he prefers a morning or afternoon class. Below is a list of teachers and the periods they teach this class. The morning classes are the first, second, and third periods, and the afternoon classes are fourth, fifth, and sixth periods. So we have 4 teachers. Mr. Mark is teaching computer science during his second, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Miss Baker, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Mr. David, first, third, fourth, and sixth periods, and Miss Green is teaching the first, second, third, and sixth periods. Okay, so before Jason wants to list all the possibilities so he can make a choice that gives him highest probability of getting a teacher he prefers. So create a table and a tree diagram that illustrates the possibilities. See, the given information is somewhat clearer. Like we have the 4 teachers and the classes, the periods that they teach this computer class. Okay, so at first we have one table here. Let me open it up. Yeah, this is a big table we have with all the 6 periods. 1, 2, 3. First 3 periods are before lunch. That's the morning session. And the 4th, 5th, and 6th periods are in the afternoon session. Now, the first teacher we have Mark. Let us check off the periods that Mark is teaching this computer science. He is doing it in the 2nd, 4th, 5th, and 6th periods. So I'll check off 2nd, 4th, 5th, and 6th periods. Mr. Mark is teaching computer science during those periods. Now Miss Baker, first, second, third, the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Right? Mr. David, first, third, fourth, sixth. First, third, fourth, sixth. And Miss Green, first, second, third, then sixth. First, second, third, and then you have sixth. Let me double check. 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6 for Mark. For Baker, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. David, 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 6. Yeah, that's right. Now, this is the information we have. This table makes the things clearer to us. Like you can clearly see how many checks we have for the morning session and how many checks we have in the afternoon session and what is the total number of classes, etc. Further, we can simplify by drawing a tree diagram. Okay, so my tree diagram I have here. We should have the morning session, right? Morning here. Okay, morning. And in the morning, how many checks I see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me go ahead and write down. Mark 8 checks. I mean 8 branches will come out of this morning. right? So 1, 2, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, all these 8 you got here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need one more, not 8. Alright, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need one more branch. It's okay. I got here all the 9. Now, similarly in the afternoon, for afternoon, okay, it is, what do we have in afternoon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 checks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, let's go to Mark. Mark is taking only one class in the morning hours. So, Mark comes here. Only one class, second period. He's in the morning session. Now, Miss Baker is teaching the first, second, and third period. So, I'll consider Miss Baker 3 times. 1 here, second time, and the third time. That's Miss Baker. Now Mr. David twice. 1, 2. So Mr. David here 1 time, and again second time. Lastly, we have Miss Green, all the 3 periods. So 1, 2, and 3. So these are the possibilities of morning session in that computer class. Now same thing you do for afternoon session. We have Mark 3 times. So take Mark 1, 2, and 3. Writing Mark 3 times. Then Baker 2 times. Miss Baker twice. 1, 2. Then Mr. David 2 times. Those 2 classes, 4th and 6th period, I think. And Miss Green taking the 6th period. So it is further simplified. Now, if I want to find the probability of Mr. Mark taking the class, teaching in the morning session. So altogether, you know the total number is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 here in the morning. 9 morning classes we have, and 8 afternoon classes. 9 plus 8, that is 17. We have 17 checks here, and also this, adding up all these numbers should give us 17. Now, if I want to find what is the probability that Mr. Mark is teaching morning session of that computer science. So probability of Mr. Mark in morning is equal to 1. Only one time he is teaching. He just has one class here. So 1 out of total, that is 17. And if I want to find the probability of Miss Baker teaching computer science in the morning session, so probability of Baker, let me write again, probability of Baker in the morning is equal to, only in morning session we have Miss Baker 1, 2, 3 times. So 3 out of all the computer classes, 3 out of the total computer classes, that is 17. And similarly, if you want to know the probability of finding Miss Baker teaching computer science in the afternoon, so go to afternoon, Miss Baker teaching in the afternoon, 1 and 1, that is 2. I have 2 here, even there I can see 2 checks. So I'll write probability of Miss Baker in the afternoon is equal to 2 out of 17. Likewise, you can find the information about any of these teachers, those 4 teachers, any session, whether it is morning session or afternoon, or whatever way you want to look into their info, so that it will be convenient to you. Like Jason is looking for his favorite teacher and he wants to increase the probability of getting that particular teacher to teach him computer science. So you should be able to figure out how to request how can he proceed with that request. That's all. Thank you.